First, take out of all items from the package. Package includes manual, monitor, windshield bracket, power cord, cigarette lighter adapter, USB cable, antenna, T-taps, 4-iron bracket and 3M, camera and other accessories. Mount one of the antennas on the monitor. Mount the second antenna on the camera. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. Pick up the cigarette lighter adapter. There is a Type-C port on the side of the monitor. Connect one end of the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Insert the cigarette lighter adapter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. Press the red button again. The red button now lights up. Like my way. The monitor lights up. Connect the USB power cable to the camera. Insert the USB into the USB socket of the cigarette lighter. The image appears on the screen. There are 9 infrared night vision lights and a sensor on the camera. Hold the sensor with your finger and cover the camera with your hand. You can see the hour light on. The infrared light is on. The picture is black and white. When the infrared light is off, the picture is in color. Tear off the protective film on the front camera before use. Pick up the bracket. Loosen the screw. Use tools to loosen the screws to flexibly adjust the angle of the bracket. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted in angle. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. Follow my operation. Align the bracket with the hole on the back of the monitor and snap it in. Pick up the 3M sticker. Tear off the 3M sticker. Paste it on the bottom of the bracket. Tear off the bottom protective film. You can install it on the dashboard. Now show me how to use the windshield bracket. Loosen the screw. Pull up the buckle. Remove the mounted bracket. Align the bracket with the screw holes on the top of the monitor and tighten. Tear off the protective film at the bottom, mount it on the windshield, and pull down the buckle. After adjusting the angle, tighten the screw. Pick up the cigarette lighter adapter. Connect the cigarette lighter adapter to the monitor. Insert the cigarette lighter adapter into the cigarette lighter outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up. Tear off the protective film on the front view camera behind the monitor before use. There is a camera on the back of the monitor, which can be used by the dashcam. Touch the fifth icon to switch to single split screen mode. Pick up the RV camera. Install second antenna on the RV camera. Take out the camera installation screw package. Put the screws through the holes of the camera bracket and fix it to the car. Pick up the power cord. Connect the power cord to the RV camera. Connect the thin red wire to the positive of the running light, reverse light, license plate light. Connect the thin white wire to the negative of the running light, reverse light, license plate light. Tear off the protective film on the RV camera before use. Both channels have images. Hold the sensor with your finger and cover the camera with your hand. You can see the IR light on. The infrared light is on. The picture is black and white. When the infrared light is off, the picture is in color. Touch anywhere on the screen to wake up the menu. The first icon is used to turn on/off the recording. Now demonstrate how to insert SD card. Pick up the SD card. Press the red button to turn off the monitor. Align the SD card with the card slot on the side of the monitor and insert it. Press the red button to turn on the monitor. When the SD card is inserted, a flashing red dot will appear in the upper left corner of the screen. Touch the first icon to turn off the recording. The red dot disappears from the screen. Touch the first icon again to turn on the recording. The red dot appears on the screen. Touch the second icon to open the brightness adjustment bar. Touch left or right brightness icon to adjust brightness. Touch the third icon to enter the menu mode. Touch the videos icon to quit the menu mode. Touch the fourth icon to turn off the sound of record. Touch the fourth icon again to turn on the sound of record. Touch the fifth icon to switch to the front view. Touch the fifth icon again to switch to the rear view. Touch the fifth icon again to switch to the split screen. Press the power key on the right side of the monitor to turn off or turn on the screen. Touch the third icon to enter the menu mode. Touch the playback icon, enter the video playback view. Select the desired video folder, then touch the video you need to turn on. Touch the second and fourth icon to switch previous next video. Touch the volume plus and minus icons to adjust the volume parameters. Touch the play icon to play the video. Touches the back icon in the upper right corner to return to menu mode. Touch the setting icon to enter the setting interface. The first icon is for the pairing signal. When the product you received has an image, you cannot enter the pairing mode. When there is no image on the screen to pair the signal. First, power off the monitor and turn on. Touch the third icon to enter the menu mode. Touch the setting icon to enter the setting interface. Touch the pairing icon, then touch the start pairing icon to enter the pairing countdown. Turn on the camera's power. An image appears on the screen indicating a successful pairing. Touch the image flip icon to switch to the mirror normal. Touch the parking line icon to turn on/off the guideline. Touch the screensaver icon to turn off the screensaver or set the time to 30, 60, 100 and 20 seconds, such as 30 SEC. Touch the back icon in the upper right corner to return to menu mode. Touch the videos icon to quit the menu mode. Now turn off the RV camera's power. When the screen has no image, the screen will automatically turn black after 30 seconds. Now turn on the RV camera's power. Touch anywhere on the screen to wake up the monitor. Touch the third icon to enter the menu mode. Touch the setting icon to enter the setting interface. Touch the key sound icon to turn off on the key sound. Touch the rec duration icon to select the recording time as 135 min, and it will be saved automatically when the recording time is full. Touch the loop record icon to turn off on the video loop recording. Touch the memory card icon. Touch the format icon to format the SD card. When you insert a new SD card, please format the SD card first. Touch the time config icon. Touch the corresponding up and down keys to adjust the parameters of the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second. After adjusting, touch the confirmation icon to save. Touch the language icon to select the language you need. Touch the default setting icon to enter to restore factory settings or cancel. Please note, after restoring the factory settings, the previously set parameters will become the default. Touch the third icon to enter the menu mode. Touch the setting icon to enter the setting interface. Touch the language icon to select the English. Touch the firmware version icon to view version information. Touches the back icon in the upper right corner to return to menu mode. In menu mode, touch the first icon on the left to adjust the brightness. Touch the second icon from the left to adjust the volume. Touch the third icon from the left to turn off the screen. Touch anywhere on the screen to wake up the monitor. Touch the videos icon to quit the menu mode.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.